Hi, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for your time to this session to listen my story. This story is about Jinkun Han, one of my clients. Uh, we have used SAFE, LPM, and ART help Jinkun Han to be China's Amazon for MRO goods. Today, I am honored to have my friends Owen from Jinkun Han in this session.
Hello, I'm Owen. I come from ZKH, Zhengkun Hang. So I served as IT manager for SAP system and focus on sales business. So last year we implementation the SAFE. Thank you for SAFE Summit. Give this opportunity to share our success. We very happy to share our experience to other companies. Okay, thank you very much.
Hi, this is Jasmine. I'm from China, Accenture. My current role is the lead of Accenture Agile practice in Great China. And I am also an SPCT candidate. Yeah, the only candidate in China. Thank you, SAI, for this opportunity to share my story with Owen about Jinkun Han to the global friends. Thank you. Before we go into the detail, I would like to share something about China when we started our story. At that time, that was just in January of 2020, when COVID-19 just happened in China. COVID-19 has changed everything since then, especially the working model. Remote working was a new normal since then. And the other one is given to the uncertainty, every day we're dealing with urgencies. So the responding time to all changes is more important than ever, especially for agile coaches included. We have to adapt in this situation. Why this is so important? Because, my client, Jinkun Han, we have multi-site teams across China, including 3 cities, Beijing, Shanghai, Wuhan. As you have already know, Wuhan was the core city in that period. So just after Spring Festival, our implementation was originally planned to start by then. But we had to postpone for a month until the situation was under control, so we can conduct some light travel within China, not including Wuhan, but we can travel between Shanghai and Beijing. So that's where we started our story. About my client, I kind of very love for the piece because Jinkun Han has its ambition, they like to be superhero in MRO industry, Jinkun Han is the unicorn in China in MRO industrial goods. Since 2019, Jinkun Han has already decided to transform from traditional offline dealer to an online e-commerce platform. So the platform will connect their suppliers and their customers. So the new ecosystem will ultimately improve the procurement efficiency and the cost for their clients. So this is a very ambitious goal. Even in the COVID-19 situation, it has not stopped Jinkun Han moving forward in order to reach out the vision. So there is a need for IT to come along with the business, because in this e-commerce platform, IT is business. But there are some challenges always when you go in somewhere beautiful, right? Here is the first one. The IT investment was not aligned with strategy because originally Jinguihang is an offline dealer. So the IT is just, the IT was just in a supporting role. It has not yet become the core business. So there is a challenge to invest more to IT so the IT can be the core business and help Jinguihang to realize the or reach the vision. The second one is there was misalignments between IT and business because business has its own operation strategy, its own target. IT has the same, but their goal kind of misaligned. They have their separate plan. They're doing their separate operation. So that's kind of difficult for online shop. The last one was about transparency because business and IT running separately. So there are barriers and there was no mechanism to bridge the gap and no transparency between business and IT. So here is what SAFE can help. We figured out the solution during our initiative in 2019 when Accenture helped Jinguihang to drive the digital transformation program. We figured together SAFE has these competencies to help set up this new operation system to ensure all the IT investment can help Jinguihang to complete this digital transformation. So there are three aspects in the solution. The first one is train everyone. So we can get people reach out to the same understanding on their challenges, their strategies, their roadmaps, and so everybody can on board to say how SAFE can help them come along with their digital transformation. The second one is we proposed this Agile Value Realization Office. Actually, it is one of the SAFE 7 core competencies, Lean Portfolio Management, but we just come up with different name to really show the value, how we can get the value from the investment. The third one is about agile product delivery capability. We use this competency to help Jinguihang to build up the fast-paced operation model, which align business with IT and also respond to customer more quickly. Of course, it is a customer-centered solution. So about the first one, train everyone. This is kind of very important because it is about a mindset change. And in the same time, it also helps to build up skills. One important fact I would like to mention, which kind of very important, because at the very beginning, we had this leading SAFE session. We have invited all the top management team and together with IT core team. So we have this classroom training. Actually, this is the first time business people, leadership, sitting together with IT architects and core members. So yeah, of course, they have divided in groups, but cross-functionally. This is the first time they have share the same training the first time. The second one important thing is the delegation, because everyone in the leadership team, they have dedicated 2 days in the classroom to learn how SAFe can help them with their digital transformation. Yeah, that's kind of a role model. It's a completely showed the one of the success factor, leading by example. The second portion about the value realization office, actually we had set up this core group, which was cross-functional. Actually, there are physical people in the group. It's a group of people just like a Scrum team, but cross-functionally. We have a business rep from COO. We also have the tech arts, application arts, and a group of cross-functional key leaders. This core team has facilitated all the process within Lean portfolio management. As you can see from this triangle, this is originally from SAFe. Yeah, we had successfully deployed the 3 little triangle within Jinhong. The first one is we has aligned all the IT investment to the business strategy. So the business people, the top management can clearly say what IT is helping business to grow. The second one, VRO has helped to set up group of policies, including how we manage the business requirement all through the Kanban system until the value delivered to customers. So we can collect all the value data through the process. So the leadership team can find the report on how their investment can generate how much value. The last one about the agile portfolio operation. So we have helped to build up this community of practice. We have trained up a group of internal agile coaches. So they can help to coordinate different value streams and foster the operational excellence. Here is an example about the Kanban. We have used Kanban to provide portfolio transparency. We also have deployed Kanban to art and to every team. So we can leverage Kanban to not only transparency, but also requirement traceability from the business to end user. So that's terrific.
Okay, let's share our Agile team. It was identified by value stream. According to value stream, LPM and BDD domains decision, we divide into multiple Agile teams. The detail is like this. Around to the customer development strategy in different stage. According to the SAFe Lean portfolio management method, we identified 3 value streams. They are market to leads, leads to cash, and supply chain. So we identified the business capability to realize these value streams. For example, A, B, C, D, this capability. According to system and applications, divided the capability into different groups. We choose the closely group into the Agile teams. The product Agile teams drive our business capability. Then our capabilities support our value stream realization. The establishment of ART as a dual operation system can not only make full use of the stability and the efficiency of existing functional organization, but also can reflect the speed and innovation of the new organization for customer centricity. Like this picture show, this is our Agile team. Customer central, this is the existing functional organization. Our Agile team, customer central, can accurately maps to the existing functional organization. Our Agile team, product-based delivery, can continuously exploit user needs, can develop the business value, can realize the urgent needs and business pain points, empower the business and found different epics. Then we will confirm the epic priority according to the VR office aligned. Then we will put the higher priority epic into our Agile iteration. Then we will continuously to integration, then continuously to deployment, release to users on demand in different parts, incubate the innovation capability of all our employers. So since the outbreak of newborn epidemic in 2020, so most of our meetings were held online. However, this didn't affect our efficiency. On the contrary, it increased our unity and trust of different teams. Now we have 12 Agile teams, more than 100 team members in total, distributed in 3 locations: Beijing, Shanghai, Wuhan, China. So through self-implementation, we optimized the IT resources, improved the R&D efficiency, and improved the quality of by art. Then before we implementation I remember the business department didn't care whether IT has a lot of job needed to do. They thought their own requirements had the highest priority. As long as they put it forward, they will continuously urgent our IT colleague to complete it as soon as possible. So they will say, Ms. Liu, I will demand highest priority and more urgent. It doesn't take too much time at all. Why you need so long time? However, when after the self-implementation, we will accurately to align so that make sure the users can know what we do, what we have, and all of the requirements priority. In this way, not only can make the users clearly know the requirements priority, also can make the users understand and support our IT job in perspective of the company in strategy. So now they will say, you have worked so hard, just give me the time of my requirements and complete it as the schedule is okay. So very big change. The Agile implementation has brought significant change to our company. The most first of all is our online business has a rapid growth. Starting from the second half of last year, from June to November, you will see we have increased by 40%. The time of order processing is like sitting on a rocket. The time is directly reduced from 8 hours to 0.01 hours. The time of order to delivery in value stream mentioned earlier. So it has reduced by 17%. All of this, it means that our customers can get the goods and service what they need faster. And at the same time, the business department has less complaints about our IT system. Before, they will say, the system is so slow, the system is stuck, the report can't be pulled out, the data inconsistency between different systems and other issues. But now, these complaints has disappeared. Okay, on contrary, we received a lot of price from customers and users. The first example is high price from our business users. According to the development of our company international strategy, our IT department within 2 weeks complete the development of document translation tool, which not only satisfied the business requirement, also saved 150,000 yuan for our company. The second is high price from customer. We solve the problems from customer in solving overnight and win the customer's price. Our ZKH large-scale agile role is becoming more and more mature. From this one picture, you will see everyone has completed the self-training template and opens our ZKH agile road, okay, formally. Okay, in this video, you will see the academic was very serious at that time. Everyone were wearing face mask. So the second picture shows that we have successful round 2 agile iteration. So we got faster results. So far, the agile management method has been integrated in our company culture and daily work. So you will ask why you get such a great success. So we want to share 3 main reasons. The firstly is open mindset. Everyone from the management level to exclusion level adopt an open and learning attitude, which largely reduced the resistance to change. The secondly is external self-coach. We invited self-expert from Accenture to guide and coach the implementation of self to avoid detours. Accenture has helped ZKH to cultivate a group internal coaches. The last one, also the most important, is leading by example. Our CEO lead by example and participate in VRO literative review meeting. As you can see in the picture just now, our CEO, CFO, CTO, and other leaders all participate in our agile practice. All of this drive our success. Thank you for self-submit. Give us opportunity to share our success. We will continue to promote our self-practice in the future and continues to innovate in practice. Thank you. Thank you very much.